Good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday, April 8th, 2022. And there's the 15-minute chart right here. I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't trade. Woke up a little later and just wasn't feeling it. And, I guess that's just one of those days where if you ain't feeling it, you kind of just got to focus on being your not just jumping into shit. You know what I mean? So overall, I think it's okay. But yeah, let's see what we got though. So one thing that I did notice when I looked at my MT4 this morning was I seen this ILC right here and here, and this is inside of a golden zone. I just lightened it up right here. This was a golden zone ILC, buyer's ILC from way back when. Let me just do this so it looks its part. So you could see this is the ILC that had been respected multiple times, used, you know what I mean, to take trades. The rejection there helped me to take the trade here. And, oh, you know what? This was a sell-off ILC. Right? We had the sell-off right here. Yeah, so you can see price broke through. This is the trade we took on Wednesday. Right here. Where is it at? Right here. There's a trade we took on Wednesday. And just from what I'm seeing right here, I've seen that it's basically consolidated, right? But we broke structure here, then broke structure up here, then broke structure up here, in my opinion. But what happened was when price broke below here again, it then used this ILC as showing resistance and broke through the EMA. So now, I think it was a break of structure here or even here. Either way, I believe it's a break of structure to the downside. So what I'm thinking is we could possibly see a retracement back up to this level, and then we could take the sell-off from here. And I think it would look something like this. About 45 pips. And hopefully we could take it down to about right here, 200 pips. It's a nice looking trade, 61.8. And then if we could bring it back down to this level here at least, then I think we'd be in business. Let's just take a look at the bigger charts. Let's see what's to the left. Yeah, and this is pretty big because remember, this blue area is the weekly support to resistance. That's been pretty key, right? It's the weekly support to resistance. So, it's a pretty key level. So once we broke above it, I thought that we'd just see a huge push to the upside, which we broke out of it, and this ILC that was created up here made us break back down to the downside. So there's a lot of how do I say it? Sorry, this is my journal. I don't know why I didn't delete everything. But either way, I think it's been key that it did that. And I don't know. I like this trade right here, though. So if you guys see anything, let me know. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. Going to use the restroom. back. Let's see if it comes back up to our area at open. That's the biggest thing. Let's see what we got right here. And this could actually be a key level because you see the ILC right here, right? You know that it's been support, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, and it's still pushing through this motherfucker. So let's see. We got about 2 minutes till open. And this is a strong level right here. This ILC, it might be a strong ILC level. Let me see something real quick actually. Golden Zone ILC. I actually like this buy right here. It's something I'm actually considering right here. I believe we still need the retracement up, but I still like the area. I like this area. It's Golden Zone ILC right there in the middle, 30 minute, 15 minute. So there's a lot of things to like about this trade right here, including the risk to reward ratio. Let's see here. We could go something like this. I like this. Let's see if it gives it to us. I like this trade right here. Damn. I like that. I'm in on a buy right now. It's kind of, the momentum looks like it's really coming down, but let's see if you know, with liquidity and volatility that it pushes up. So that's what I'm kind of looking for right now. All right, I put another buy in. So let's see. Let's see if it works. I like that. It's a nice rejection. The 1 minute, it's being engulfed, right? So that looks good. Let's see if it could keep this push though. That was a big drop down. Damn. Don't necessarily like that. That was we had a big push from it, right? About 30 pip push to the upside. Now, I didn't move my stops to break even, and it looks like a possibly disastrous mistake. What's crazy is I was up, over $200 plus right now, close to 300. Wow, that's crazy. Now I'm down about 200. I hate to see it hit the stop loss, but if it does, I'll be done for the day. It is what it is at that point. Yeah, I'm not sure I like this. It's really moving down to the downside. Damn. Not good. Wow. That sucks. That's crazy. Well, I got stopped out right there, and I lost way more than I would have hoped for right there. So, damn. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, it happened. So, I lost 284 on the day. Let's see if it gives us, another opportunity. But, I guess I probably overthought that just from seeing this ILC right here. I thought, you know what, it broke structure up here, right? Broke the high, and then not only that, this high broke the high. Maybe it was just retracing. So that's why I took that trade right there. So, you know, sheesh, wasn't a good. I mean, I think it was a good trade to take because 15-minute, 30-minute ILCs, and we had multiple confirmations to take the trade, in my opinion. So it's not that it was a bad trade. It's just one of the big things that I do, especially in these volatile indices like the NASDAQ and US30, is if I see a 30 pip push, well, then I'm going to move my stops to break even because it shouldn't come back down like that, you know? So that's where I messed up, really, was that part. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is at this point. I see one of these trades got stopped out at about 40 pips. So took a loss, and I guess we'll just learn from it. Ain't much we could do. I was really expecting a push up, not only just up, at least up to here, but possibly even through that up to this side. So, it is what it is. I think now we've definitely broken structure. Because let's just say that, you know, you can see, I think that was a clean trade. I do. But, left shoulder, wait. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Nah, that shit's coming down. Let me see if there was something here. Forex Factory. Yeah, not really much. No news coming out. Bleeding. Yeah, so a majority of the Nasdaq is red, and what is green, it doesn't even have that crazy difference of a percentage point or point difference. So not sure right there. Looks like the real trade was right here. Boom, boom, enter, bow. So, damn, it is what it is. Yeah, I took a $284 loss today. And fuck it, it is what it is. We're still up for the week, and that's including, not trading yesterday. Definitely not as much as I like to bake for the week. But anything profitable is profitable. Or anything that's in profit is profit. You know what I mean? So, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Get back to this shit though. I think I'll call it a day at that. And we just get ready for Monday now. See where we went wrong here. You win some, you lose some. And I think it was a good trade. I do. But I just got to go back to the drawing board and see where I went wrong. And it's just a lesson. See you guys on Monday. You lose some. Get back to this shit though. I think I'll call it a day at that. Alright, my original bias was to sell up top, wait for the retracement. Then I drew out the fib. I seen that there was a beautiful IOC inside of the golden zone. Well, we were wrong. So just take it as another lesson, and we'll get back to it on Monday. My original bias was to sell up top, wait for the retracement. Then I drew out the fib. I seen that there was a beautiful IOC inside of the golden zone. Well, we were wrong. So just take it as another lesson, and we'll get back to it on Monday. All right, well, you win some, you lose some, and today was just another lesson that had to be taken. And unfortunately, in the trading game, your lessons are a little expensive, so you got to pay for every single one of them. All right, well, you win some, you lose some, and today was just another lesson that had to be taken. And unfortunately, in the trading game, your lessons are a little expensive, so you got to pay for every single one of them. Damn, man. Can't believe we took that loss like that. Ah, fuck it. It doesn't look like it's coming up anytime soon. Well, we'll go ahead and call it a day. If anything does pop up, I'll be on here. But until then, we'll see you guys on Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, let's get to this shit, man.